The world has entered an era of rapid development, and Advantech continues to grow and explore more possibilities of technology. In recent years, Advantech has focused on the development of human-robot collaboration. In DIP process, we implemented automatic machine insertion and transformed to a flexible human-robotic collaboration production. Robotic arm assembly improves production efficiency. AI inspection through Advantech's software and hardware integration solutions greatly enhances inspection quality and efficiency. Through the touch panel automatic laminating machine, Advantech performs automatic gluing, cleaning, and automatic optical detection through the CCD automatic vision positioning system. The mixed test platform, which integrates hardware interfaces and auto-downloads production test programs, improves overall test efficiency. Combining hardware AnyFeeder, CCD visual recognition and robotic arm accurately clamp accessories, realizing the automatic accessory packing production. Adam, a one-stop automated production from locking screws, downloading test programs, bagging, robot gripping accessories, folding boxes, labeling, etc., to achieve the optimization of the automation production. The iFactory SRP and-on system offers real-time reporting and eliminates issues immediately through the app. Enhance and-on dashboard visualization. AMR utilizes 3D LiDAR technology and integrated Advantech solutions for smart warehouse. iFactory dashboard now includes AI diagnosis to faster decision-making and enhance productivity. AI prediction and big data to prioritize shipping fulfillment. In Advantech, we are focused on human-robot collaboration, innovation realizing AI and WISE-iFactory, upgrading visual dashboard and realizing Advantech solution-ready package. Not only accelerates digital transformation in smart manufacturing, but also empowers the digital ecosystem and global sustainability.